Sermon number 196. World at the time of the proclamation of prophethood. Transience of this world and the state of its inhabitants. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Allah deputed the Prophet when no sign of guidance existed, no beacon was giving light and no passage was clear. I advise you, O creatures of Allah, to have fear of Allah, and I warn you of this world which is a house from which departure is inevitable and a place of discomfort. He who lives in it has to depart, and he who stays here has to leave it. It is drifting with its people like a boat whom severe winds dash, here and there, in the deep sea. Some of them get drowned and die, while some of them escape on the surface of the waves, where winds push them with their currents and carry them towards their dangers. So, whatever is drowned cannot be restored, and whatever escapes is on the way to destruction. O creatures of Allah, you should know now that you have to perform good acts, because, at present, your tongues are free, your bodies are healthy, your limbs have movement, the area of your coming and going is vast and the course of your running is wide, before the loss of opportunity or the approach of death. Take death's approach as an accomplished fact and do not think it will come hereafter.